Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about height growth. So few days back my follower on Instagram asked me how to increase height, and I asked him what's your father height and what's his height, and he said like 5'6". I it's okay, I'm also 5'10", not much more. Still it's an average age, so let's don't go there and talk about it. And I asked him what's your dad's height. He was like 5 feet something. So I was like it's okay, and he be like my friends are taller than me, so I wanna increase my height. So I was like okay, I can give you some tips, but I was like what if anyone else also wanna know about it? So I was like okay, I'm gonna make video for it. So yeah, I'm making video for it, and okay, let's go on our topic. So I gonna go topic by topic, like how you can increase the height. Or yeah, I don't gonna say bullshit about anything. I gonna straight go on the facts, if you can increase it or if you can't. So let's okay, being very straightforward. If you just have to see your parents first, if they are tall or not, or just see your family. If everyone is shorter, yeah, it's in your genes, dwarfism. You can't able to grow height, even if you inject growth hormone in your body, it doesn't gonna work because of your genes. Yeah. And if you don't gonna go there, or if you're a healthy person and you have good genetics, so I can give you some tips. First we're gonna talk about growth hormone. How can you release it? Okay, so basically growth hormone releases when you are hungry, or you taken a meal after 3 hours or 4 hours. Your pituitary glands produce growth hormone, and it okay, why you can't able to produce growth hormone when you are full stomach, or you had a meal half an hour ago or few minutes ago? It's just because growth hormone and insulin, they kind of different to each other. When insulin is present in your body, growth hormone doesn't gonna release. And if growth hormone is in your bloodstream, insulin doesn't gonna produce. Yeah. So best thing, you can try intermittent fasting, like 18 hours, 16 hour. If you want to know about it in depth, you can text me on or DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna explain it to you. So you can try intermittent fasting, and to produce more growth hormone, your diet have to be on point. Yes, high protein, minimal amount of carbs, or maybe on your maintenance calorie. I don't gonna go there. I gonna make a different video for it if you want me to. So the best thing to produce growth hormone more and more, and to stimulate your pituitary gland to produce it more, try to go to gym. Yeah, you're gonna say like we can't. Okay, most of the person complain me about, okay, as soon as we been in gym, we didn't increased, we didn't notice a single change in our height growth. Maybe you are malnutrition, you are just pushing yourself beyond the limit, and your diet was not on point. Your testosterone are on peaks. Your testosterone is on peak when you're hitting a gym session or you're lifting weights. Yes, it's gonna help you in increasing weight. Don't say a bullshit about it that if we are inside a gym or we join a gym in early age, we doesn't gonna increase height or something. I'm doing gym from like I was 12. Yeah, at the age of 12 I was doing a gym. I was like 5'4", 5'5" something, and now I'm 5'10". Yeah, it doesn't affect your height growth. I did every single thing, like barbell, squats, bench press, everything I did. It doesn't affected my height growth, so don't make excuse about it. So not going there. And what about your diet? Add on vitamin D. Yes, vitamin D and multivitamins. And make sure you are in calorie surplus. You know your body, like I always talk about, if you want to grow your weight, or if you want to grow muscles and if you want to gain weight, you have to give calorie surplus. Your same thing is for your height. It's not about bones. Your bones have tissues. I'm gonna explain in more depth. Like a lot of things is going inside my mind. I can't able to explain everything. So maybe gonna make another video about it. Your body need protein more than anything to grow. It's a building block. If you wanna know the limit, 0.8 gram per pound, best for everything. Just hit a gym session, take a gym membership rather than sitting inside a home playing video games and all. Just put a pressure on your body. Just stimulate your anabolic hormone that gonna make you grow. And okay, if you are more than 18 or more than 21, only 1% of person can gain height after that. Yeah, I can give you more tips about it. Temporary, but it gonna be temporary. Nothing gonna be, yeah, it doesn't gonna stay for with you too long. So temporary things that you can add on your posture when you stand. Like I see, like most of the persons stand like this. Why? What? Like okay, you can just add few exercise, like train your rear delt. Like when you see your shoulder, like on the back, from the back side, rear delt, start training it. It give a illusion of like it, this muscles pull your spine back. Yeah, that's what give you straight spine. So start training your rear delts to maintain your posture. And if you want to know more, you can add on some yoga poses which stretch your spine, like Surya Namaskar, cat cow stretch, or cat stretch, or cobra stretch, one of the best. Start doing it. You know that your spine have four cartilages, each consisting of one. If you're gonna stretch it, it gonna be of 1 inch. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 inches. You can easily gonna add on 4 inches. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hope you loved it. Please subscribe the channel, give it a like. If you have any problem, or if you want me to make video on another topics, or you have any doubt, comment section is waiting for you. So till then, bye bye.